Hi, I'm Gary Russell King, born for the Red Running into the Water People Clan and Zuni People Clan. I am the Chief Medical Records Administrator here at the Northern Navajo Medical Center. Today, I am here to tell you about the Personal Health Record, or PHR, which can be beneficial to you as the patient for your health care and wellness. The PHR allows you to see your most current health information, such as your medications, immunizations, clinical notes, laboratory results, radiology reports, future appointments, and even a recent hospitalization. To give you a better idea of what PHR is, here's Chris to give you a demonstration.
Hi, I'm Christopher Julian. I am Kiani, born for the Dzilth-Na-O-Dith-Hle clan. I'm one of the PHR registrars, and I'm here to navigate you through your personal health record. I'll scroll down and highlight a few popular PHR tabs. First, we have clinical notes here. Your most recent visits will be listed. And then going on to test results, COVID results will also be included on this page. And you have immunizations, which will also have your COVID vaccines. And any medications you would have will be listed under the medications tab. Even has information on available refills. And finally, at the top of the list, we will look at your future appointments. And that's just a few options you can find in your personal health record.
PHR has been very handy to have when you get healthcare services outside of IHS, like when you are referred out to another hospital for treatment and services. For example, your doctor may refer you to the UNM hospital in Albuquerque or to another healthcare facility off the reservation, and your new doctor may need health information that you may not be aware of. PHR will allow you to access that information immediately when you enroll into the system. Prenatal patients can also benefit from the PHR as health information is available for those unexpected prenatal visits or deliveries outside of IHS. COVID testing and vaccinations are also available in PHR. You can even print copies of your health information from PHR. PHR can be accessed through your home computer, tablet, and cell phone. You can also set up PHR to allow access to your designated caregiver to assist you with your healthcare treatment and services. For example, a caregiver would be another person that might be taking care of an elder parent or another family member that knows about your personal health information. PHR is a great way for Native college students and active Native military to access their health information who may be away from the reservation. It's easy to sign up. Here is our PHR registrar, Lucinda, to show you how.
Hi, I'm Lucinda Benali Tachitnin Shlon Todich Bashishtin. I am one of the PHR registrars, and I'm here to show you how simple it is to create your PHR account. First, go to the PHR website at phr.ihs.gov. To register for your PHR account, click on the blue button here for registration. Create your own username, and it needs to be at least 6 characters long. Then create your own password, at least 8 characters long, with a upper and lowercase, at least 1 upper lowercase, and a number and a special character. You will also need to confirm that password. Select Next to go to the next screen. And here you can answer security questions. If you click on the drop-down arrow, you can select the questions that would be most familiar to and something that you would be able to remember. And then click on Next. and it takes us to another screen where we can enter our personal information. We want to make sure we enter our name, our first name, which is going to be our legal name here, middle name if you have one, and your suffix if you should happen to be a junior, senior, and if you go by any other names, you can also enter that. And your gender here, your date of birth will be entered here. And your marital status. And your mother's maiden name will go here. Across on the other side, we want to enter our contact information, which could be your post office box and your city here. And your state and your zip code. And your country will be the United States. If you happen to have an email address that you would like messages sent back to you, it will notify you that you have a message from your PHR account, in your PHR account. So currently we'll just put no. And then your telephone number here. Okay, the last part is we want to make sure that you have your username and your password. It will show your security questions and answers here. If you need to, you can click on the blue sections here and edit your account security questions. And your last portion will be your personal details as far as your post office box. And the last thing we want to do is to accept the Privacy Act. You can also print and download your privacy policy and terms and condition. And then we're going to click register. Okay. This completes your registration. The final step will be to take your photo ID to a PHR registrar, or you can call a registrar to link your account for immediate access.
As you can see, the steps are very simple. If you have any questions, please contact a PHR registrar and they will be happy to help you. The personal health record is there for you, the patient, for immediate access to your medical information for your health care.